Hey guys, so y'all see my hair is growing back. I ain't really been like doing that, so I just been slapping a wig on. But it is itching so bad. Like it is like really itching. I'm gonna do like an aloe vera wash. I know aloe vera calms the itchiness in your hair. So I'm gonna do an aloe vera wash. My hair is growing, y'all. And then y'all see the dandruff. I can't escape the dandruff. I can't escape it, so but I'm gonna do an aloe vera wash. I think I'm gonna add some olive oil to it if I have some, and leave it on for about 30 minutes to an hour and see what that gets us, because my hair has been really itchy, and like just the feeling of your hair itching is just annoying, very very annoying. So yes, we gonna wash it. Y'all can't see the dandruff, but it's there. It's like, y'all know how my dandruff be. That's how it is. So it's like itching, y'all. Like it's itching. So we finna do that, and we gonna see if I know it's gonna calm the itchiness. I know it's not gonna stop it forever, but at least it'll stop it for a couple days or whatnot. So let me get my aloe vera. See, I can see the dandruff. Yeah. Let me get my aloe vera. Y'all, it's cold here in Chicago. Like, it's hoodie weather. It's a little hoodie weather. We got a little hoodie weather going on. Yes, it's cold. Well, I don't want to say it's cold. I'm going to start saying that. I ain't ready for the cold yet, but it is windy. The sky is a little gloomy. I don't think it's supposed to rain today. But, look, the sun's trying to peek out. Anyways, y'all. It's a little breeze going on because it's been like 90 degrees, I think. But anyway, I'm going to do my little aloe vera wash and see what that do to my hair. It's growing, y'all. Like, I honestly didn't expect. Well, I know my hair grow fast, but it's growing fast. Y'all see the black coming in? The color's changing. That means your hair is growing. Like, it's growing, honey. Before you know it, it's gonna be back on my back. And I don't think I'm gonna cut it again. Like, I don't think I'm gonna cut it this short again. I'm probably not gonna cut it at all. I don't know. We'll just see. I ain't gonna say I'm not, what I ain't gonna do, because you just never know what you're gonna do. So, okay, y'all, this is the one I'm using. This is the one I used before on my hair. It worked pretty well, like the plant or whatever. Y'all know I normally use the plant, but I had got this. So we're just gonna use this, and it's the one you could drink as well, but I don't like the taste of it, so I don't drink it. I just use it for my hair and like my skin or whatnot sometimes. But my hair itch so bad. Like, I pour some up in this bottle. Like, it is so bad. Like, I don't know why it itch this bad, but it does. I don't know why. They say when your hair itch is growing. Is that true? Do y'all know if that's true or not? Let me know, because it's itching. Look at this thing. Okay, y'all. I don't know if my thing working. Will it work? No. I don't have another one. Hold on, y'all. Let me fix this. Okay, y'all, it is not working, so we just have to pour it on our head. Oh my god, this is gonna be a mess. This is gonna be a mess. This is gonna be a mess. Ooh, it's cold. It's gonna be a mess, y'all. Gotta get it all in there. Yeah, it's been on for about 5 minutes. My hair is not as itchy as it was before I first put it on there. Like this, like I've been washed. It only lasts for like a few weeks for me. It only lasts for like a few weeks, and then my hair be right back like dandruff and all that. But I think I've been washing my hair too much ever since I cut it. Like I wash it like I think every week, and I didn't used to wash my hair that much. Y'all know I used to wash my hair like maybe once or twice a month, and then we'll be good. But since I cut my hair, I've been washing my hair too much, and I think that's the problem. But it is growing, so maybe that's not a bad idea to wash it every week. But I'll be putting like different like products in my hair, so that's probably what's causing it to itch as well. Yeah, this whole journey is something different. But it's been a month since I cut my hair, my big chop. Then it's been about 2.5, 3 weeks since I shaved my head. So it's been a journey. Okay, y'all, we're about to wash it out. Ooh. We finna wash it out. That's how my hair looks. It doesn't itch at all right now, so we're good for the most part. But yeah, it's really soft, like really soft. Let's see, no dandruff in sight, of course, because we got this in our head. But let's see, but it's really soft. I wish I would have had some olive oil to add to it, but I don't have any, so I'm just put some I think I got some vitamin E oil that I'm gonna put in my hair, and then that's all I'm gonna do to it. I think for the next couple of weeks I'm gonna just leave it alone. I'm not gonna put no product in it. I'm not gonna mess with it. I'm just leave it alone, so I won't keep having to wash it, because I put product in it and it makes it itch, so I have to wash it. Anyways, let me wash this out. Okay, y'all, this is how my hair is looking. I literally just finished washing it. This is how it's looking. It's so soft, like so soft. And I just washed it with I just rinsed it with some conditioner, but it is really soft. I'm gonna add some oil to it, and that's gonna be it. I'm not gonna do nothing too much to it. I'm not even gonna brush it, honestly. I'm gonna just leave it like this and just add some oil to it. So yeah, this is the oil This is the oil I'm gonna use. This is just a whole bunch of oils I mixed together, and I just gonna put it on my hair. Like I've been telling y'all, this is the only oil I use in our hair, and I feel like it is helping our hair grow, so and keeping our hair moisturized. Besides the little hair grease I use, but yeah. So we looking like I'm just adding a little oil. Good. And that's really it. That's really all I'm doing with my hair. Not gonna do nothing special. Just leave it alone so I won't have to keep washing it. Like I said, it's just, I feel like I've been washing it too much. So we're going to add a little more to the bag. So yeah, y'all, that is my little wash day routine for the week or day or whatever we call it. That's our wash day routine for our short pixie cuts, aloe vera gel, and conditioner. That's it. That's all I put in my hair. That's all I'm gonna have in my hair for the next couple of weeks. I'm gonna try not to wash it. Hopefully it don't be itching too bad. So yeah, I'm not gonna put like no product in it, so I won't have to wash it. So this is what it's gonna be looking like for the next couple of weeks. And I am gonna brush it, just not today. I just want to wear it like this. So yeah, leave me a comment, let me know what y'all think, and I will see you guys in my next video. See you when I see you. Peace.